Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Bitcoin update today. And alright, so from what we saw previously, the trend line, loss of trend line, coming below the trend line is what has happened at the moment. On the daily time frame, I wonder if Bitcoin is looking for a double top right now. And it does look to me like it's a little bit of a double top going on, and you might be looking for the break of a neckline right over there. Do you see that? So we're holding one support pretty much. So I'm going to show you very quickly. There's a trend line that has been lost and also back tested as well, like 1 2 3, and you've lost the trend line and you've actually back tested the trend line. So what I want to do is I want to remove this trend line as well, and I want to start with another neckline here, which is somewhere right over here. Do you see that? So you do have this as your neckline, and for some reason I do think you're looking for Bitcoin to have a double top at this point of time. So I'm just going to go back to the regular and to the logarithmic scale as well, and let's bring in the trend line one more time, and let's check from the top here to the bottom if Bitcoin actually does have this double top playing out. We might be looking at Bitcoin coming down to $20,000, and this is the place where there's a CME gap as well. So it does make a perfect sense. Now, all in all, we need to see the break below the neckline, and then you have a good chance of Bitcoin to continue to go to the downside. Now, it's always the same old saying that goes as follows, okay? So, but before that one, look at this. Just look at this. If I zoom in there, so you're looking for this touch, and you also had a support, a little bit of support right there. So 1 2, you're holding the support breakout, you came down, you're still holding support right now, and you're still holding support right now. I personally don't think that 20,000 is in play, not just yet. It's not in play. So I want to repeat this again. 20k is not in play, but I think 20k is possible to happen. There's a difference in something being in play because a pattern is not being destroyed just yet. So look at this, okay? The neckline is there. You have the neckline still not broken down, still not back tested. We still have one small chance. That's another thing. That's another topic in itself. But you have not broken below the neckline. Okay, that's something you have to keep in mind. So basically, you are not coming to 20k unless you're not breaking below this level. Because one more thing that I notice is that Bitcoin probably has some support going on right over here as well. Okay, boom. I want to keep it simple, and I saw this somewhere as well, and I think it's pretty good that Bitcoin has one touch, Bitcoin has second touch, a break to the upside, down for the retest, move up again down here. So you can pretty much see that this was your resistance, a break above, support, came down, support. Very valid, okay? Tell me if I'm wrong, but it's very valid. To me, I think it's a trend line that makes sense. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3, 4, and you just need 3 touches to make a trend line. So this trend line is actually pretty valid. And as far as I'm concerned, this was your resistance, 2 resistance, and now you're having 2 support right over there. So equal balance of bears right over there and the bulls right over here. Now the thing is that if you're looking for Bitcoin to really come down and go below like this, then that's it, okay? You've lost support. Once again, you're going to do something very similar to this, where you pretty much got rejected here and you move down, get break below here and go up. I think this scenario is going to repeat down once again, as far as I'm concerned, for Bitcoin. And that's it for this update on Bitcoin. Just a quick one. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.